Hot list, cool finds for cooks. The Franke Chef Center is one hard-working sink. In fact, it's a whole sink system. The single-bowl, undermount sink, perfect for washing large pans and platters, pairs with built-ins to create a multifunctional workspace that makes prep, entertaining, and cleanup easier. Goodies include a removable glass cutting board, a removable compost bin, a sink grid that can be raised or lowered, a storage bin, a colander, a drain board, and a roller mat that's great for drying dishes. The new Liberty Induction Cooktop by Thermador empowers cooks to step up from a traditional round element surface into a more flexible induction cooking surface. The cooktop features 11 oval inductors divided into 3 cooking zones. Each zone can accommodate pots and pans from 3 to 11 inches as well as teppanyaki grills that can measure up to 16 inches. And it's equipped with an array of unique features, including HeatShift and MoveMode, which empower cooks to move around their cookware during meal prep. Speaking of multitasking, how about a warming drawer that does more? Viking Range has the answer, a warming drawer that's also a slow cooker. The drawer, which includes a built-in meat probe, can slow cook at a temperature of 250 degrees and below. And it serves as a handy warming drawer that's perfect for storing food before serving, whether you're preparing a multi-course meal for guests or just waiting for the kids to get home. Love pizza? The new GE Monogram Pizza Oven brings restaurant-quality cooking capabilities to the home kitchen, allowing you to make your favorite pies, from Neapolitan to New York style, quickly and with ease. It ensures a perfectly crisp crust and browned, bubbling mozzarella. Homegrown food tastes so good. But what if you don't have a garden, or even a green thumb? Turn to the Urban Cultivator. It makes it a breeze to grow herbs, microgreens, and lettuces in the comfort of your kitchen. The indoor cultivator features a pre-programmed control center that self-regulates water, light, and humidity levels inside the unit. You can plant each plant in a matter of minutes, then enjoy lush, flavorful greens in days. And the units are customizable to fit your kitchen.